raised by Mr. Mongena on the right behalf. My Lord, the judge who issued this order was alive to that fact. And that is why he's saying that the only persons who are barred from appearing and representing public bodies are private advocates stroke law firms. Then he goes ahead and says, when there is already an hired attorney general, state councils, solicitor general, and the county attorneys. So he's alive to the fact that such an order may create an hindrance to the access to justice under Article 50. But he then says, even when an order such as this has been issued, there is another body providing similar services. So Mr. Mongela cannot say that his client will be prejudiced and the right to a fair trial under Article 50 will be compromised because there is already an existing alternative.
Okay. Counsel, you know what you've done is you really argued an application which is not before me yet. That's essentially what you've done. So the direction is very simple. I've just had a quick look at the order. And I think item E in the order is the one that you are referring to.
Yes, Your Lordship. Yes, Your Lordship.
First of all, I'm not sure myself I even understand the order, where it says a conservatory order is issued suspending the engagement, procuring, continuing to procure, pending payments. I don't know how that fits in. All engagements of private advocates or law firms by public entities when there is already hired attorney general. Hired by who? There's a whole question of interpretation here. Can you please file a form, or this is the direction I'm giving? Petitioner to file a formal application in relation to the request for, I don't know whether it's a request for clarification by this court. I'll call it a request for clarification by this court as to whether the IEBC is properly represented by the council on record, the council presently on record. All right. How much time do you need to file that application?
I would file it by close of business. It's now 12. By close of business tomorrow. And I also, my Lord.
Tomorrow is the 16th?
Tomorrow is 16th, yes.
16th. And service, same day?
Yes.
Yeah, same day, my Lord.
Any of the respondents want to respond first to that?
My Lord, I was even suggesting a more efficient way to Mr. Mongela. Because we really want to move the matter.
Don't forget your name is...
My name is Gachagua. My name is Gachagua. Perhaps he can just have counsel who is within IEBC to be on record, then we can work together, just so that we don't proceed and then we just go back. That's a more practical solution. So that one of the advocates comes on record, then...
Yeah, but you see, I'm not going to stop work because of this.
Very well, very well, Lord.
We will finish with our pre-trial today.
Yes.
All right? I've also noted this order was made on 12th of January.
Yes, my Lord.
So I don't know whether it has effect
Yes.
backwards. I don't know.
Yeah.
These are some of the things you will tell me.
Sure, sure.
And I'm trying to bring me all sorts of authorities and saying that...
we'll get away out, my Lord. We'll get away out.
So, respondents, first to third.
My Lord, I'll be requesting you give us, this is Charles Mongela for the first, second, and third. You give us until Wednesday.
I don't have a diary or a calendar right now. What's the date?
Wednesday next week will be on the 21st.
Yes, 21st.
File and serve your response by COB 21st. Fourth respondent, are you participating in this?
My lord, you can file, this is Gachagua, you can file our reply by the same Wednesday.
Can I suggest that just so that we can speed this up a little bit, you file your responses with your submissions, your application maybe the.
I'll also do with the submissions. My name is Gachagua.
You can do it with submissions.
Yes.
I'll limit your submissions to 3 pages, to which of course you might want to annex your authorities. Duly highlighted authorities to be annexed. Okay. So I think we were on the question of, we are still on the question of pleadings. So we dealt with the pleadings of the petitioner. I know there are other pleadings like the application, the notice of motion. We'll come to that in a minute or two. Are these pleadings filed in soft form? Your pleadings?
Sorry, my lord?
Pleadings, are they filed in soft form?
Yes, they are, my lord.
No. I mean the pleadings themselves, are they also in soft form?
Yes, the scanned one. We have not filed the Word version, which we can supply also.
It's just to make it easier for us to copy and paste certain information whenever it's necessary.
Yeah, I can have that done right away.
There's no emergency. We can do it in 7 days.
Very well, my lord.
Yeah.
I'll do that.
And the same for any future pleadings. Just put them in soft form, also in Word format. Respondents, first to third respondents.
My lord, perhaps before the respondents engage with you, and I would beg to be guided by your wisdom.
Yes.
The direction that we've just issued about the application
Yes.
in regard to the import of the orders that have just been brought to your attention.
Yes.
My lord, I am really begging to be guided by the court whether the trial can still continue.
It is.
When a challenge of representation has been posed to the court. Because representation goes to the core of even the pleadings that we are just about to address you on. My lord, while I am aware that I'm at the bar, would it, my lord, be prudent that this application be determined first, so that the directions that will ensue from these proceedings will not have the possibility of being hindered by the subsequent ruling that you might give? Because you may find that Mr. Mongela is not properly on record, or you may find that he's properly on record.
Yeah.
What shall we do at that particular time?
What I am going to do is this. Of course, I don't know what the outcome will be, but I am not going to jeopardize the petition on the expectation that the IEBC may lose their counsel. So we will proceed. If this is a nullity, let it be said in the Court of Appeal. Correct? It will be said in the Court of Appeal, or by myself. if what we are doing is a nullity because of the absence of IEBCs,
I understand you.
you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's not jeopardize the 6 months that we have. They're actually now no longer 6 months, they are less. Let's proceed, and then when we come to a point where I have to drop my pen, I'll do so, if I have to. There is in fact another application, I think, for me to drop my pen,
Yes, Madam.
isn't it? But I have to determine it also, isn't it? I can't drop my pen first then say it needs to be determined. All right, so let's go back to respondents' pleadings.
Yes, Madam. We have found our response
Yeah.
together with the affidavits.